How to turn off dark mode on Spendee. Are you guys facing issues to turn off dark mode on Spendee application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Spendee on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, now look at the right bottom of your screen where you can see this more icon. Click on it. After you click on it, you'll be provided with multiple options. Just scroll down, click on Advanced. You can see the option for appearance. Click on it. To turn off the dark mode, tap on Light Theme and your app will instantly change to Light Theme. That's it guys, that's how we're gonna turn off dark mode on the Spendee application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.